Before you choose Earthlink as your internet provider, stop and listen, because most people assume all ISPs offer the same experience. The surprising truth is that Earthlink's quality depends heavily on how it delivers internet in your area. Earthlink is an internet service provider that partners with existing infrastructure instead of building its own network everywhere. This means Earthlink may offer fiber, DSL, or wireless internet depending on your location. You won't believe what happens next when customers compare speeds in different cities. The experience can vary widely. In areas with Earthlink fiber, speeds can reach up to 5 Gbps, which is incredibly fast and ideal for streaming, gaming, and remote work. In DSL areas, speeds are much lower and may struggle with modern internet demands. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They sign up without checking which Earthlink service is available in their neighborhood. Always confirm whether you're getting fiber or DSL before committing. Earthlink promotes transparent pricing with no data caps on most plans, which is a major advantage. Unlimited data means no surprise slowdowns or overage fees. Customer support is generally rated as reliable, though response times can vary. Contracts and equipment fees depend on the plan, so reading the fine print is essential. Installation is usually smooth, especially for fiber connections. The surprising truth about Earthlink is that it can be excellent or disappointing depending on location. When it's fiber, it's a strong competitor. When it's DSL, it may feel outdated. If this honest review helped you avoid a mistake, subscribe for more real-world internet provider reviews.